everyone, Mia here. Today I'll be reviewing Snoop slimes. Let's go! We bought one slime, which is Cookies and Cream, and let me go get it. This is the slime we have. Cookies and Cream right here. And now let's take it out of the container. It's the beautiful slime. It's super nice and soft, and as you see, my mommy just poked it there. Really beautiful and soft. And as you could see, my mom's gonna spread it. It's super soft and nice. And for extras, they included a baggie of borax and some candy, their business card, and a slime care receipt. But my mommy has her stuff in the room right now, so I guess I might show you in another video where it's not in her room. But I have the borax right here. So this is Cookies and Cream, and it's really enjoyable, soft, and spreadable. I have a bit of residue on my hands, but that's okay. I give it a 9 out of 10 for the residue, but it's pretty awesome otherwise. So here's some clips of us playing with the slime.